Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till 31st of May 2026. Please keep in mind the messages are general, they might or might not resonate. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it, just let it be. For person reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. Both of these are pre-recorded. Okay, I'm going to conduct a live 7 days 7 Osho meditation event from 5th till the 11th of June. It's going to be live, not recording, because I'm not allowed to record the Osho meditations, and but it's going to be full of fun, full of life, full of happiness. If you want to join, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Try it out, it's really very beautiful. I can't say enough about that. And the prices are also really not so high. It's like 3500 for Indians for 7 days and 7 sessions, and for others it's 125 USD. So check out and book your slot now. Let's start. Libra, it's not feel I'm not feeling like I'm advertising it. I'm excited about it, so it's coming out of me. Wow. See, when you start loving something, when you do something that you love, it's really amazing. Let's see overall energy for Libra people for this week. Queen of Gabriel, you can do anything right now. So this week is really good for you guys. You guys can do anything right now. You guys can achieve anything right now, especially in your career. Go after what you want. Go after what you think you can achieve and you want really want. The ability to attract helpful people. The moment you are going to start walking on the path of your happiness, the path of what you really want in your life, you will be able to attract helpful people and energies around you naturally and organically. 25th, we have the Four of Raphael. Seek out other possibilities. You guys might be stuck on something or something like this is the only possibility, this is the only path that you can achieve something. It's not like that. Seek out for other possibilities. Keep your mind open and flexible to the idea of other opportunities also. Look for the magic in life. Instead of focusing on the negative, start focusing on the positives of life. Be aware of your own emotions. Your emotions might be very up and down, on and off, in and out. So don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices in these kind of emotional states. Okay, so for 26 we have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Some kind of wish fulfillment is going to be there for you guys on the 26th. Hard work leads to great success. You guys are going to have some kind of great success in the coming future. Your hard work is going to pay you off. A love for the beautiful things in life, your love for beautiful and luxurious things in life is going to be increasing, enhanced. 27th, we have the Moon, the opportunity to improve your plans. You guys are going to get some kind of opportunity to actually improve your plans or your strategy regarding something. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Instead of looking for guidance or answers from the outside world, to turn inside and listen to your intuition. You're going to get all the necessary important information and guidance and everything that you are looking forward to have. Face your fears and grow stronger. Instead of running away from things that you're fearing or situations you are fearing, face your fears head on and you are going to grow more stronger. Okay, more stronger, and you guys are going to realize that the things that we often fear about are not actually the truth. They are just illusions. Okay, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, we have the Chariot. Determination and self-control is the key to get the the kind of career advancement that you guys are looking forward to have. Acknowledgement of success by others is also going to happen in the coming future, but for the time being, determination is and self-control is very important for you guys to achieve something really very important in your career. Okay, so we have purchased dice. 29th, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give something to somebody, when you help someone in need, you also receive. The universe is watching you. The universe also blesses you with positive and happy things. Being resistant to change, you guys might be very stuck on something or someone. Very stubborn energy of not expecting anything to change, being in this energy of comfort. So being resistant to change is not going to bring you anything good in return. You guys have to understand that change is the only constant. Extremes in how you save or spend money. So you guys have to find a balance. You guys have to figure out a balance between how you are going to save or spend your money energy. Otherwise, it's going to be complicated. 30th, we have the Ace of Ariel. It's your lucky day. New resources of money, time, or support are going to be there for you guys. Make sure you guys are going to use your resources wisely. You guys are going to not take them for granted. A change in job or a promotion is also possible for you guys. That is absolutely beautiful and positive. 31st of May, we have the Five of Michael. This situation doesn't serve you. Something is not working out for you anymore, whether it's a connection, whether it's a job thing, whether it's something that you keep on doing on a regular basis. So this situation doesn't serve you. Something is not serving you anymore. Release your attachment to the outcome. You guys might be so much attached to some kind of outcome in your life that you are not giving the time for the situation to give you the kind of outcome that you want. Attachment to anything, actually anything or anyone, is actually going to delay the process further and further and further. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. Consider taking a more positive and uplifting approach towards something or someone, so that you guys are going to get what you really want in a beautiful and positive way. Okay, instead of being in the pessimistic energy, being focused on the negative side of life, try to focus on the positive side of life, and you will be able to achieve something in a more positive and beautiful way. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Libra. So we have the peace. Release the past. There is more enriching future coming. You guys are keeping yourself stuck on something or someone from your past. It can be a belief system, it can be addiction, it can be a person. But that person, that situation is not helping you anymore. It's dragging you back again and again and again. There is more enriching future coming. You are going to have a good future only when you are going to make your future good, a present goods, right? And for the present to be good, you guys have to release something or someone from your past completely and absolutely from your system and your energy field, and then let go and let go, and then after releasing the past, making your present beautiful, let go and surrender to the divine. Whatever is supposed to happen for your highest good is going to happen eventually, but from your side, keep it clean. Okay, keep it clean as much as you can. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you, and don't forget to check out the 7-day 7 meditation link. And if you like it, I'll see you on the other side on 5th of June. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.